Welcome into our junkyard house. Come on, guys.
Hey guys, it's Morgan.
I'm Jamie.
And we're from Construction of Style, and today we are taking you into the Black Lake place.
So it's a property we bought on Lake Minnetonka. We're planning to fully remodel the whole entire thing. The main level pretty much got a new layout and yeah, all new. Basement a little bit different. We're gonna kind of keep layout, but change everything up, flooring, drywall, ceiling, everything. But we're gonna take you on a tour and then show you our plan.
And hopefully the plan stays that way throughout the renovation process. We'll see.
Come on in, here's the kitchen, original kitchen. We're not totally sure what we're gonna do for the layout yet, but island here, we don't know if we're gonna go a long way that way or a long way this way, taking in the lake view. And then over here, kind of gonna keep it how it is, all new cabinetry, probably take up the soffit, give it a little more height, give more room in the cabinets. Dishwasher will remain, but new sink below the window. And then fridge and pantry. We're not sure if we're gonna keep the pantry like that or pull it out and do like a cabinet pantry yet. And then cooktop, probably in the island again. If not, we might put it over here. But we'd like to keep it with the lake view. That way when you're cooking or preparing a meal, you can enjoy the lake view. And now, connected to the kitchen, we're gonna walk into the living room area. The front door entrance is right there. We're planning to move it. That way you don't walk into the kitchen living room area. We think that's kind of weird and awkward. We're gonna move the fireplace right on the wall here. Do a big built-in type thing, TV, and again, sitting on the couch, you can look at the lake, watch TV. Right by the kitchen, so for entertaining, everyone can kind of hang out here while the chef or the cook is preparing the meal and you're not in their way. And all new flooring throughout the whole main level will probably be one thing. And then over here, in the kitchen again, we're planning to do like a built-in bench with a table for normal everyday eating. All right, moving on down the hall, we come into a shared main level bathroom with the master bedroom. I don't like that. We're planning to demo everything in here, probably wall off here over, and then make this into a half bathroom for the main level. That way people on the main level don't have to walk into the master bathroom with the double entrance, lock both doors. It's kind of annoying. So we're gonna put a toilet, sink in here, and that will be the half bath for the main level. And then moving in further to the original master bathroom, toilet, shower. Right now we're planning to blow the closet out here. There's two more in here that are very large, and we're gonna take them all out. Make one large bathroom with a pretty good sized closet either way, and then it will be just private for the master bedroom. So then we're gonna take closet out, shower, everything. This wall will come completely out, and then the bathroom will be this whole area here. Right now there's a large closet that will be taken out, and then we're thinking there will be a tub about here. The vanity will be here, and then closet entrance will be over here, which then will shift the door for the master bedroom down. Right now it's pretty big area. I think we can shrink it up a little bit and use that area for the bathroom. And now coming into, I don't know what you would call it, office maybe, but this is where we're thinking the new front door will be. So you'll walk into here, we'll redo the rail, that wall will be gone, another rail over there. So it'll kind of open up this whole main level and make the entrance in wide open and airy. You can look out into the lake, but you won't walk into the living area kitchen. We built a closet in here, and then our big issue was trying to figure out where to put the laundry room. But as of right now, we're thinking we might just do the laundry closet with a double unit washer dryer combo in the room. Washer and dryer over there, or are over there now, and we're planning to take that out. So the main bearing wall on this level is right here. So we're gonna leave all that alone, but everything here is probably gonna come out and then shift. So this is kind of where the entrance for the new washer dryer will be. And then we're planning to put another door about here to go into another bedroom on the main level. Right now, washer and dryer, laundry room, main garage entrance are back here. This will all come out. We'll frame off a little wall here, put a bench for hanging your coat and all that here. And then this will turn into a bedroom area, adding another bedroom to the main level. There's two more below. Now we are in the basement, the lower level. Not really changing a lot of the layout down here, but everything will be cosmetic updates, all the wood paneling coming out, flooring coming out, all new trim, new lighting, taking the popcorn down, probably doing a knockdown to keep costs down from flat. And then we're thinking over here will be kind of like a TV, movie type area, hangout area with bar. I don't know if we're gonna keep or what our plan with that area is yet. Probably keep it, but put the cabinetry in. And then coming back into the bedroom area. Bedroom number 1. There's some lighting in here. We'll take the drop ceiling down. Probably have to do a little framing, drywall it, and then probably add lighting in here. I'm sure it's controlled in the outlet for lamp right now. Another bathroom. It's actually probably been finished pretty recent, but take all of it out, probably tub, tile walls, new flooring. We'll probably pull this wall out and not south it. Probably do lighting above from here, and then new vanity, countertop, sink, trim. Try to keep the honkers up. And then down here, another bedroom. Carpet, trim, paint. Same thing. Here is an empty room. We don't know for sure if we're gonna cut an egress window in, turn it into a bedroom, or if it'll just be like a big storage room. Keep all your lake equipment. Okay, you guys have to come over here. Okay, line up. Beckham, you get that wall. G, you get that wall. Okay, ready? Demo! Whoa!
First one to put a hole in the wall gets a prize.
Yes! Yes!
guy's gonna put a hole in it with his head.